From the shadows of Thales emerged another figure, deeper and more enigmatic, Anaximander. His exact dates uncertain, his ideas shrouded in mystery. Yet his mind ventured beyond the known. He claimed all existence rose from one primal, infinite substance, timeless, limitless, unknowable. Our world, he whispered, was merely one of countless worlds, each born from cosmic infinity. This infinite substance eternally transformed, endlessly becoming what we see around us. Anaximander uncovered a strange order, a cosmic justice, balancing elemental rivalry. Elements endlessly atoning, bound by justice, never surpassing eternally fixed boundaries. Even the mighty gods obeyed this impersonal justice, ruling above all, yet itself unseen. He argued no known element could dominate, or the universe itself would collapse into imbalance. Worlds, he revealed, were not created, but emerged naturally from eternal cosmic motion. He believed life itself was born from moisture, creatures emerging mysteriously, ignited by sunlight. Humans evolved from fish-like ancestors, adapting, surviving, changing, across endless ages. Anaximander's curiosity knew no bounds. He crafted the first maps, charting the unknown. He imagined Earth as a cylinder adrift in darkness, overshadowed by an enormous sun of unimaginable size. Anaximander left us a legacy wrapped in mystery. His ideas still echo today, compelling humanity to unravel secrets hidden within infinity itself.